Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing the new Cocoa Daisy collection for the month of April. I am unfamiliar with the name, but if I remember it, I will mention it in the unboxing as we go. Because I'm even looking at the vinyl sticker and I'm like, oh, it doesn't say it. Like I know last month was called Willows and this month, I do not know. But let's open her up. That way we can start playing with it. So, as you recall, I always get the journaling kit, which is stickers and washi, the add-on pocket page cards, then that plastic goes to the Simple Dory and the Scrapbooking Core Kit. I always like to start off with the Simple Dory so that you can see the overall theme for this collection. This one has a very cherry blossoms, Japanese feel to it because you'll see some of the... what are the female girls called? Kimono wearing girl. I'm missing the word. I'm missing the word, but that's what you'll see in the collection. And what I also love is that there's a lot of pink. So here is the cherry blossoms. And once again, I know I say this all the time. The illustrations are amazing. Here's a repeating floral pattern. Another repeating black and white. There's some pages, another repeating pattern, pink or like a corally color. And there you go. So you got like the bamboo, the big sun, and this bird, which I'm also gonna, is it a crane? Can't even remember, but that illustration is gorgeous. Okay, here are some fans. I really like that too. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. Here's some navy. So that's going to be like your base neutral color. There's the cherry blossom flowers. Small and repeating. Another repeating. Repeating. It's navy. Navy. Oh, see? There we go. This is the theme. You know? This is the theme. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Man, oh man. That was really pretty. Sorry, just see, I'm admiring. There's another navy repeating pattern. A small, like, gray with the navy small flower. It's like a bright red-orange. Some there. So pretty. Like, very, in my opinion, like, elegant looking. Elegant. So nice. Okay, let's get into the regular Scrapbooking Core Kit. We have a repeating washi tape that has like the hash marks going vertically and then horizontally. It's navy. There are die cuts. Die cuts. So we got tags, half circle pieces, a bunch of half circles, some labels, the cherry blossoms, a little bit of a symbol in Japanese, I imagine, ordinary life, cherry blossoms, and some fans. Here's the 3x4 stamp set. We got the branch, some characters in Japanese again, just like a little bit like almost like paint marks, and then it has a definition of spring and April memories, and then some color areas. The red, orange, and tones of pink glitter enamel dots. Oh, these are pretty. Puffy stickers with the cherry blossoms. Ooh, something new. We got foam titles in black. Chipboards with the fans and the umbrellas. These are very pretty as well. Very pretty. And then the rub-ons. So... yeah, like just very elegant, just very good. Here's the puffy letters in like a dark gray. And then the repeating papers. So we got two blank white sheets. And then a plain yellow. The repeating floral. The fans. So cute. Ooh. See, that deserves to be framed. That's pretty. Repeating pattern, and a repeating pattern. Okay, those are really pretty. This is really pretty. I wonder what the yellow really doesn't go. I feel like this was maybe the indicator sheet between the repeat to the next one, and they accidentally left it in here. This is pretty. This is very pretty. Okay, then we'll go through the pocket cards. Okay, the pocket cards. We always have the calendar. And there's that spread. Love it. This, beautiful. Oh, I like that too. Think positive. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then April. Ugh. That with that. Looks amazing. These are great. Okay, here are the cards. April, love. Oh, I wonder if that's what that means. Courage. Enjoy the little thing. That is what the washi tape looks like. There you go. And that's the signature card. Easter. There's that repeat one. Love that. Beautiful. Konnichiwa. It's cute. I don't know if that means joy. I wonder if are these the acronyms of this? No. And then repeating, honey. Beautiful. These are beautiful. Love that. Okay, and last but not least, the journaling kits. Okay. Oh, the washi tape. Oh, I gotta open this one. Okay, the washi tape is gorgeous. That is beautiful. So pretty. Let me see it there. So pretty. Okay, here's a journaling card. Peace comes to those escaping the storm, but from finding calm within it. And then all the journaling prompts. We have the 2 sheets of rub-ons. Love that. Very pretty. I can tell you, this is very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so we have the days of the week. So we always get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets. 8. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sets. Pretty. Just pretty. Pretty. Very pretty. So pretty. And then alpha. And then the quotes plus the stickers. Guys, I'm really liking this collection. Okay, let me clear off my desk and let's make my first project using these products. Okay, my crafty friends. So I am definitely using this double page illustrated page in the Simple Dory. I find the illustration just to be very, so classic, elegant, like all the sweet, classic words to use. I don't know. Not to say like this is always like my aesthetic, but I find that whoever drew this, it's amazing in my opinion. So in order to make it work, I definitely printed my photo in black and white. That was important because the photo had color in it. I think my sweatshirt was green, and so those colors were just not working out. So printing a photo, if you're going to use this spread in black and white, will definitely be key to make those gray tones work with that gray watercolor background. I'm using one of those like foam thickers that says together, and then with the puffy letters I added the word better, so better together is my official title, and then able to embellish it with some of those chipboard elements. Now initially too with the photo, it got kind of lost on the background, so I did mat it on black cardstock, and it just added a tiniest rim to have it stand out against the illustrated background. Here I am trying to add some of the washi kind of tape stickers that are a little bit more translucent, so I made sure to put them in an area that it didn't get lost too much. And then with some of the puffy stickers as well, just a pop of added texture. And normally I don't add the puffy elements into my Simple Dory because I like to keep this project for the most part flat.
But for this one, I just wanted to sprinkle a little bit of everything on there, and I'm doing my journaling with my favorite pen. It's a Pilot G2 in the 0.7. I usually also use the 1.0. I like a thicker, line for text, and I'm just adding some text about the picture that I'm scrapping in this story, and that will be my simple layout.
Okay, ladies and gents, so just for my first layout, I had to use this illustrated page. Love it. I love love it. And now don't get me wrong, my rule usually is not to use the dimensional elements in a kit, especially for my first page, because it makes it kind of lumpy and bumpy to work on it. But I just had to go for it. I had to go for it. Love the puffy, love the enamel, the stickers. I pretty much use a little bit of everything. We have a chipboard that we did take off the chipboard piece to it, the foam thickers, the puffy alpha, the enamel dots, the stickers, and a puffy sticker. Stop it. And don't get me wrong, maybe I want some paint splatter in here, but we're going to leave it as such so that we can wrap up this video. I will leave this kit link down below. I did figure out the name. It's called Serenity. Serenity is the name of this kit. I know I mentioned it in the intro that I was like, I don't remember what they called it. Serenity. And this is for the month of April. This will be for you folks. Like, you guys, like the illustrations. It's beautiful. It really is beautiful. Sorry, I'm gushing about it. Let me stop gushing. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. It always helps my channel grow. And until next time, everyone, bye.